So this is just a quick video really, guys. Now obviously with the new update we just had recently for Mini 4 Pro and the ActuTrack Auto, just in case people get a little bit confused, if you want to just use the ActuTrack 360, because I did notice when it first come up, some of the YouTubers were saying it's the ActuTrack 360 Auto. Well, actually it's not, it's just the ActuTrack Auto. So just want to stop that confusion, because I think, especially if you're using it for a first time, you want to, oh, I could use the 360, but you can't use that on Auto. But I'm just going to show you quickly. So there I am, I'm with Mrs. Bonnie. I'll draw a box around myself. Now you can see straight away you got the spotlight. We're not using the spotlight, we're using the active shots. Right, now in manual, if I press go, the 360 will come up. And if I just bring it round there, the drone's going to go off to that direction. And if I bring it in, the drone should go round without hitting nothing. Right, so that's ActuTrack 360. So if I stop that, you come out of the 360, and if I go back into ActuTrack and go into Auto and press go, and then we've got the other side of all this, which I showed, the video I showed, I'll put it up there now, the video I done the other day with the ActuTrack Auto, and you've got a choice of doing the Helix. It doesn't seem to have a preference. It just seems to randomly pick, like it's doing the Helix at the moment, it's stopping now. I think maybe it's because I've stopped. I think it's while I'm on the move. So it's coming round again, doing the Helix again. Now sometimes it will do different. I had it the other day. Actually, it's coming in close to me now. It did the droney. So it is sort of random. I think it's quite funky. Anyway, I just wanted to, I'm just checking the battery there, it's all right. I've got 29%. Always a good idea to keep an eye on the battery, guys. This is how it's going. Right, if I press stop and see the little green cross there, if I come out of that, that means you're out of the ActuTrack altogether. So hopefully hasn't confused too many people. For those brainy ones, yeah, well done. For the ones, and I'm the same, I was a little bit confused, thinking, oh, I thought you could do a 360 Auto, but you can't. Totally separate. But anyway, I hope that's cleared it up. I'll catch you in another drone video very soon.